Welcome to this video on how to create a linear regression in RGuroo. In this video, you will learn how to find the linear correlation coefficient R, find the coefficient of determination R squared, and find the linear regression equation. Let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is access RGuroo, making sure you are logged in. So once you have done that, notice you have a menu down here. So we're going to click on Analytics, and then we're going to click on Analysis. Then the fourth item down is linear regression, and we're going to select Simple Linear Regression. When we do that, this menu appears. Now remember, every time you open one of these menus, you have to select a data set. So remember, if you have not already imported your data set and saved it, then you will not be able to access, right? You won't be able to continue. So let's say I want to select high temperature and coffee sales. So once I tell RGuroo which data set we're working with, the next thing I have to do is tell it what is the predictor variable. In this case, I'm going to pick high temp. And what is the response variable? And in this case, I'm going to click sales. And again, you can see there are many other options, but right now this is sufficient. Telling RGuroo the data set, the predictor, and the response variable, that's enough to get the information that we want to get. So now we click on this eye icon. Okay, so let's look at it. So first it tells us the number of cases. That's the N, our sample size. So our sample size is 15. That means we have 15 rows of data. Then we have the correlation coefficient, R, and as you can see, it's over here. Usually we would round this to about to 2 decimal places. So I would probably round that to negative 0.94. Then we have the coefficient of determination, which is R squared, and that's 0.8786. Again, you would probably round it to 0.88. And lastly, we have our equation. Okay, so it says sales is equal to this number minus this number times high temperature. And remember, this is a linear equation. Additionally, when I do this process, it shows me a scatter plot with the line of best fit superimposed on the scatter plot. So that's another valuable, useful piece of information that I can use.